Overwintering is the process of bringing your plants indoors during the winter to extend their lifespan. Here's how you do that properly with 3 simple tips. Tip 1. Choosing the right plants. Only certain plants survive for more than a year, so bringing them all in is pointless. Check your seed packet to see if they last for more than a year. By saving plants, you are reducing the amount of seeds you will have to sow next year. Tip 2. Overwintering dormant plants. If you want your plants to go dormant over the winter, place the plant in a dark spot and water every few weeks. The plant will stop growing and will start to drop leaves. Bring it back to life near spring by putting it back in light, and watering often. Tip 3. Living plants. Another way to keep your plant alive over the winter is to treat it like a houseplant. Place the plant in a sunny spot, near a window, and water when dry. The plant will grow, but at a slow pace.